Everyone, this is a walk around of the 1974 VW Thing that finished restoring in 2022. She's driving real well, have everything dialed in now, and really a lot of fun. The original top has the serial number on it, and it also has the original roll cage that came with it when it was purchased. All right, now we're going to look at the trunk. I have all my essentials and my tool bag in here. This was completely stripped out and redone. It has all the original decals and detail associated with it. So let's have a look inside the car. One of the strange additions was the guy in the military that owned this put a map light out of a helicopter in it, but I figured I'd leave it there just because it was kind of cool. The seats are all original, in great shape. Same thing in the back. The pans are all brand new. Everything's been detailed out and rust taken care of. We'll have a look at the engine. So the engine was pulled and completely rebuilt. You can see the details in the pictures on the listing. Have a look underneath. New muffler, new tin, new everything. Okay, so let's have a look underneath the wheel wells. Here's the right front. Don't know how these are going to turn out. Here's a look inside from the sunny side. The rear seats have a little staining on them. The front, there's a little bit of dust. Car's been sitting for a while, but there's a look at the inside. Here's a look at the back and looking up at the underside of the top. And here's a look at the inside, both front and back, and the whole roll cage and the top of the roof. And another look at the trunk, the tank, spare tire, and the underneath of the hood.